Hey everybody, my name is Jesse Grossbull and welcome to the JesseAF show. Today is Saturday, April 12th, 2019, episode 62 of my daily podcast. Yeah, that's right, daily. That means every single day I'll be posting a new episode, so please check in tomorrow for my next episode. I'm on Google Play Music, Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, and YouTube, so if you have any of those platforms, please consider subscribing. That way you get notifications for whenever I post a new episode. Today, I'm going to be talking about nature and how peaceful it is. As you can see, I am outside. I am not in my car, which is technically outside, but I am in nature. And this is the rail trail. It's the Wallkill Valley Rail Trail. It goes all the way from Kingston all the way to Wallkill, New York. And yeah, I really like walking on this trail. I walk on it for different reasons. Maybe I bike ride on this trail sometimes. It's a really nice trail. And it actually has a lot of history to it too. See, the rail trail is actually basically an old rail line. And it was basically converted into a trail. That way people can enjoy it. That way people can discover and go to different places all over the place. There's also the O&W rail trail that's near me. That's over in Hurley almost. I know this is kind of close to Hurley, but it's not exactly in Hurley. Not exactly sure where right here is. I mean, it's Ulster County. No, I mean the town of Ulster, so I guess that makes sense. But, okay, so today I'm going to be talking about how peaceful nature is. And nature is really peaceful because, I mean, you just get to breathe in all that fresh, clean air when you're walking through nature. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, what isn't amazing about this? I mean, you have green all over the place. Sure, it's spring and it's kind of dark and droopy because, you know, it's cloudy out and it just rained yesterday, so whatever. But it's so nice out. I mean, why wouldn't you love this? Why wouldn't you be peaceful in this type of scenario? I mean, sure, there's bugs and stuff, but when you're walking on a trail like this, you just don't pay attention to stuff like that. It just becomes a part of the norm. And, you know, you get to see all these trees, you get to see power lines maybe. Yeah, we got power lines over the rail trail. It's so cool. And I love just walking on this trail. I love running on this trail. I love biking on this trail. Biking, yeah, I love biking. Biking is something that I do all the time. And this rail trail is a really great place for me to do it. I mean, look at it. It's a straight line, and the elevation is very, very moderate. It's just flat because it was a rail line. So that means, guess what? You don't have any big spikes in elevation. You don't have any great drops in elevation. It's all very flat. It's so nice being out here. And I love just walking through this. You get to think about different things that are going on in your life. You get to basically meditate in nature. I mean, how many other places can you do this? It's just so peaceful. There's no cars, there's no traffic. It's safe. It's so safe to walk out here like this. I mean, right now it's a little early on a Saturday morning, so not many people are out here, but as you can see, there are bike tracks on the ground here. But, you know, it's really nice out, and it's just a great place to go whenever you want to clear your mind, whenever you just want to walk with someone. And like if you have kids or something, you get to walk your kids through nature, and they can experience nature. They can learn about history. I mean, this trail in particular, it crosses through a bunch of cement mines. And that's as you get closer to Rosendale. And when you go through Rosendale, you get to go through the cement mines, but this also goes through Rosendale. It's a wonderful trail. I mean, I could not talk any more highly about this trail because it's just so much fun. I mean, you get to see little swamps, you get to see all these old trees, all the old tree growths. You get to listen to the birds. Maybe you get to see a salamander every once in a while. I love that. And I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, sure, there are the people that are afraid of the nature and afraid of woods, and they like living in cities and all that, but you know, that's whatever. It's so nice out this morning. I just wanted to go on a nice walk, and this episode was a good idea to just put on this trail because it's just so much fun. See, the annoying part is you find litter every once in a while, and that litter kind of detracts from the nature experience. And if you are that person, if you are one of those people that actually litters on nice trails like this, or throws their garbage in nice little pieces of water like that, then you suck. You do. You suck. I'm being serious. I mean, why would you ever throw your garbage out in the woods? It's awful. Nature is here. Nature is dying because of garbage. Why would you do that? I love this place. I love just walking on this trail. It's so convenient. It's so nice to walk on. And it has a lot of really nice features. And that's really all. That's all I wanted to do today. Maybe I'll actually do a time lapse of this trail, just walking down it, just so you can, see what I'm doing, what I'm looking at. Maybe you, if you live in this area, will check out this trail. It's a really nice trail. And I hope you guys see the time lapse, and I really hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. I know I did. I mean, it's so awesome walking down this rail trail. You get to see so much of the nature. I mean, you get to see the moss growing on the rocks. It's just perfect. I love mornings like this. And this is where I go to work out. I mean, this is where I go to run. This is where I go to walk. It's just so nice out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode, by the way. It's so important. I mean, you look at this and you're like, I never want to see this thing, this beauty, this nature disappear. Because it's just so awesome. It's so awakening. It's like, man, this is awesome. I really can't find any other way to describe it. It's just great. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a great day.